Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's going to be a very short video. I'm in between classes, but I wanted to show you what I got in the mail yesterday. I got my items from Amanda Panda Teacher, and I always love it, and I wanted to show you what a great job she does packing all of the items so that they don't get bent or ruined during shipping. So it all came in a little bubble wrap bag, and super excited. I love her things. So I bought a couple of little books and craft sets, and something that I love is that I don't have to worry about copyright for to use her books. So if I wanted to do something on like OutSchool, a lot of people are worried about copyright. Well, if you use her books, and she has said that this was designed for that, then I don't have to worry about it. So a little craft and a couple of books. Super excited there. Now, I'm excited for these as well. They came in this little extra bubble wrap here so that they don't get bent, and I thought that was a great idea. So thank you, Amanda Panda Teacher. I wanted something for rapport building at the beginning of class. I do a lot of it and I love it, but I didn't have like many questions, and I felt like I was asking the same ones over and over. So this way here, I just could turn to one and have, new questions for them. There's some sentence starters on here, and I thought that was just a great idea. I'll show you one more card because I think they're, great quality, and they came on this ring here. So, is your teacher a boy or a girl? Or is your VIP kid teacher a boy or a girl? And then they use this sentence starter to make their own sentence. So, super great. And there's only just a couple more things I wanted to show you. A little Ask the Teacher. She's always got some great ideas. And a little sun. It says, free gift, Amanda Panda Teacher. So I'm going to put that on my magnet board. Oh, perfect. And the last thing I wanted to show you, sometimes they come in these little bags, some of her items. They're so cute. Amanda Panda, and it's got a panda. Love it. Okay, so this last one. Now, some of you know that I love these Would You Rather cards that she has made, and so I was super excited to find out that she is coming out. I don't even know that they're up on her site yet, with Would You Rather 2.0. Let's see if I can show you the beginning. I don't want to give away some of the cards because I think it would be exciting when you get your own. Would You Rather 2.0 from Amanda Panda Teacher. So she's going to reveal these later on my channel. Super excited. That's all I have. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I will leave Amanda Panda Teacher's information below so that you can go and take a look at her shop. I need to ask her. I have a coupon. I'll ask her if I can share a coupon with you. And if I can, it'll be below in the description as well. All right, everybody. Happy teaching.